Hello everyone, I am Pragati Jha Parasar. I am from Hooghly Mohsin College and legal intern of Lexis and Company. In this video, I am going to describe about the theft. So, what is theft? Section 378 of Indian Penal Code describe the theft. Any person, any person without honesty and with intention of commit theft to take away any movable property from another person, then it is called the theft. What are the essential ingredient of theft? So there must be dishonest intention of an individual to take that property. Number two, the property being taken away has to be movable. Number three, such property must be taken away from the owner of the property. Number four, the property has to be taken away from the possession of the individual. In other words, there has to be possession of that property by someone. Number five, such property has to be taken away without the consent of that person. That means consent, dishonest intention, property must be movable, and property must there must be the owner of the property, and the property must be under the another person possession. So these are the important ingredient of the theft. If any person committing theft with the dishonest way, with the intention to take away the property by under the someone from someone possession without the consent, then the person is committing a theft. So what is dishonest intention? So it is also called the malified intention, which can be represented in the form of mens rea. This is the core element of the theft. The petitioner has to prove something was taken away by the someone with the dishonest intention. That means not honest way. That means if any person take the property in the honest way, that is not a theft. But with the intention to theft, if any person take away the property from the someone without the consent, then it is called a dishonest intention. So so property must be movable property. Immovable property cannot be moved easily from one place to another place. So if anything which is attached to the land cannot be easily moved and cannot be easily theft by the someone, so property must be immovable property. Such person must be the taken away from the owner. If anything holds by someone, that person must be the owner of that property. If any, that means if any person has a laptop, he must be the owner of that laptop. And if any person take away that laptop without the consent and dishonest way, then that person commit a theft. So the property must be taken without the consent of the owner. So if any person has take the property with the consent that is expressed or implied way, then that person cannot be commit any theft. If without any consent, without informing that person, if any person can take away the property from the possession of another person, then theft is occurred. So this is all about the theft. The punishment under theft is a 1 year to 3 year and fine or both. Thank you.